so we're back. We got all our goods, tools, wood, a bit chilly with some wind, and let's go.
Yep. So these are the pieces of wood we got. Looking good.
Okay, how do you want to start, babes?
I think we first shape it in the ways we want and where. How much root because they're thinner. You see they're like...
That looks way longer than that.
So I'm kind of dumb. I didn't count the right amount of wood that we needed at the... Stupid. So we have to go back and get more. I counted for 3 beds, not 4. I don't know what happened in my mind.
It's my new favorite tool. It's good, it has a safety, so you can't just shoot. So you got a button you have to hold and the gun.
Oh, good.
So it doesn't just go bing.
Don't do it yet. I'm right in front of you.
Okay.
Well, what if you miss? That would go literally in my jugular.
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 So that will hold it for now.
Okay.
And then we can attach this. Nice. I need the box with these bits in it. You see?
Which box?
In there, in that. There's a box with these little heads in it. Perfect. Thank you.
Come here. Come up. Good boy. I love you, my silly munchkin. Look at what he's doing. It's construction day. We're building a bed. We're gonna have vegetables in here really soon.
I just got an impact. This is my second favorite purchase over a drill because I didn't know that you could just impact it in. It goes so quick.
Look, that was it. So quick.
Oh, look at that sun.
Ah, delicious.
I don't think I've used one of these since my time working in London.
Really? Why did you use them in London?
I used to hang paintings and stuff.
Oh.
Bed number 1, feeling good.
Like I should.
I hope they look good.
Looks great. I wonder if I can lie down in it. It looks so tiny, but it's really big. It's a comfy bed. Not for me, it's for my plants. We ran out of the small screws.
Yeah, and I blunted
that was the main thing. We blunted the
head.
So we'll have to go get more tomorrow.
So we're gonna
get small ones tomorrow. Gonna have some steak. Today's our engagement anniversary.
Yummy.
See you tomorrow. Okay, I don't know if you can see that rain. Okay, so the weather has turned around and we're gonna keep working. And we're crouching like idiots because we don't have a tripod. So wherever you can fit is where you are right now.
That's the Casey Neistat style. It actually makes it, I think it adds a little bit of fun to it. Every time we're like, hello?
Oh, hello?
Hi. So, it stopped raining. Thank you. Sky's blue, beautiful out. So we're gonna build our last bed with the wood that we have from our dear friend, Facebook Marketplace, Jean Pablo. Last one, we'll see. The rustic style.
You have a knife? Are you?
Yeah. There you go, my love.
Thank you.
My special princess, sweet pea princess for everything.
Yummy.
We finally got our 4th raised beds planchas.
Planchas.
So we're off to build them. Let's go. Sorry.
Move.
No, move this.
No.
Yes.
I'm gonna make a lush, babes. Doing that technique from the videos.
What technique?
Get your leg. Excuse me, you need to move. Perfect. Get your leg. You see the gap?
You have it on backwards, you silly goose. It's hot.
It's so hot, isn't that crazy?
Yeah. You see the gap? No more gap. Can we now do my way, please?
That's your way.
You have to take out what you
We
did.
need a long one.
Okay. Now, can you take this one out? Okay.
Let's try it. Okay.
Attends. Voilà. Okay.
Attends. Okay.
There. That's already better. And we need to put another one and then we can... Okay.
I'm gonna see if we can tighten it up with a lag.
Okay, I don't know what day and how many days we've been working on this now, but we are still working on the raised beds.
Yeah, it's a lot of work. We have to basically fill these up with manure, take them down, back into the car, drive them all the way down to the house. And that basically does one bed. I think 2 full boxes does one bed, so we have to do this 3 times today. It's back-breaking work. Back-breaking work is good for the soul.
Good for the soul.
I don't understand farmer strength. Ugh. Who needs the gym? I haven't gone to the gym once since being here.
Okay, let's go. Let's get started. Let's get some poop. We have the doggos with us, and we're pet sitting Max's mom's dog.
You fill up one, I'll fill up one.
Forgot to put my boots on.
That was silly. We can put them on right back.
Yeah.
Isn't this fun?
That's disgusting, Logs.
What?
He's eating shit. Hey.
No.
Hey.
Yeah, I love worms.
Logan, you're gonna ruin the audio. I think we have to leave him home. He stresses me too much.
Okay.
And then he's gonna ruin the audio.
Yeah.
Can you hear Logan cry?
It's unbearable sometimes.
Logan, do you have something to say? I think this went really well. I can do this 3 more times.
It's this part which sucks.
Oh, good?
Yeah. Lily!
I know, Lily, that was so stressful. Oh, I guess that's one way of doing it. Nice, that was effective.
It will. Do you want a cassis?
Yes, please.
Do you know cassis is a blackcurrant cordial?
Thank you. I'm so happy and proud of us.
Yeah, I'm so happy and proud of us too. We're doing good on time.
Yeah.
Got one last one to do, and we'll just do the shoveling.
I just realized that my overalls are flashing everybody. I wonder how long that's been like that. I'm so sorry. Good thing I have underwear. Unlike Max. Round 3, let's go. My mic is dead, so I just wanted to say I had my cassis. I have my boots on. You get to entertain us because you have the mic.
I get to entertain you. Can I just entertain them while you dig? She's gonna do all the digging while I entertain. I don't know if you can add that. There's a copyrighted song right there. One hand. Strength before honor. Man who loves eggs. If you could be one animal, what would you be? Okay, I was more specific. I just would go like, oh, mammal. What animal would you be? A mammal. I would be either a peregrine falcon, because you could the fastest animal alive, or I feel like being in the ocean would be kind of boring. Some sort of bug, maybe cockroach, or like an inner city rat, like ratatouille. You probably have the best food of all time. My God, my feet. I'm walking in puddles because my feet are so wet. We're very lucky here. There's not much pesticide use. So we get these very rare orchids that grow kind of only in these kind of like clay acidic soils. And they're very pretty. And whenever I see one, I'm always just amazed at how beautiful nature is.
Round 3, last and final round. Let's go. These are the beds with the manure and the wood. What do we think?
Hi there. It's time for lunch, guys. We've got steak and pasta on the menu with cream. I think my cholesterol is going to take a hit today. What?
The dogs get a bone.
A phone.
Okay, we have been fed. I did some computer editing, and Max is earthing.
It's 2:20 and it's 31 degrees out, so you do the math.
What is the math?
I don't know, but it's hot.
Oh.
That's two.
So right now we're gonna go to the plant shop, get ourselves some little babies so that we kind of skip on this hot heat manual labor part of the day, and we'll continue at 5. Okay, we're back from our plant shop haul. This is what we got. Some cukes and some, I don't know what this is, but this is something. Max got some things, I don't know. Some flowers, some mint, some tomatoes, some chives, some flowers, more flowers, fennel, beets, basil, salad, tomatoes, sweet potatoes. And the star of the show is this rose bush, climbing rose that will go on the trellis. And then physalis, which is my favorite fruit. It's those like yellow berries. I forgot what they're called, but I get them at Trader Joe's. And I can't do that anymore. And so I haven't found them in the shops yet. So hopefully I can grow some myself. We also have to plant these, which I got at the farmer's market the other day. No rest. Gotta keep going. Oh, I should put some sunscreen on. Oops, one sec. I just keep forgetting to put sunscreen.
You're burnt. Your arms are burnt badly, yeah.
Where?
The shoulders up here.
Should I put a cover up shirt?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm doing an outfit change because I'm sunburned. Outfit change complete. Where do I go? Oh, no, I can't do this heavy.
It's way more, it's twice as much as the...
Yeah.
Hold it up.
What am I holding up?
Just hold this up.
Yeah, both of them?
Yeah. Good.
Next. I need your help to carry it down.
All right.
This is the last one, and then we do a break for 15 minutes.
Dumb more.
And then we go back.
I'm trying to just scrape the top. You see what I'm doing? Very light. Just putting the rocks to the side so I can take them out.
Got a 12 strain from that. 13
What?
from this hour.
Oh yeah. Wow.
Another day, another dollar. It's the next day,
Next step.
and we're ready to smash this up, or at least get one more bed done. We went to the shop this morning. Oh, we went to the flea market. We got some goodies. We went to Facebook Marketplace to pick up that gorgeous bench. That bench. Isn't it stunning? It was 120 on Facebook.
120.
And then we picked up trellises. Or no, we picked up like cattle wire so we can build a trellis.
We're gonna now hammer these in, lift her up, and she's good to go.
Okay.
Look sexy.
Let's build this trellis. Can you stand up though?
Yeah.
Oh, good. That's good.
It's pushing
it
up.
looks good.
Okay, it's pushing up to the other side and that side a bit. Come down one, I think. Like that.
Is it gonna carry the weight?
I don't know. This doesn't seem very sturdy at all.
No,
This is not gonna carry much.
no. It's not gonna hold a rose.
I don't know, maybe it will give it strength. And what are we gonna do? What is it meant to hold?
The cucumbers and the rose.
Hello team. Another day finished. It's 7 p.m. We've just been planting and we should have realized it before because we've been watering the soil just now. It's very muddy and clay. I don't know. I'm not a professional planter, so I don't know if this is a good soil to be using for planting. If it is not, that's a €300 mistake. Kind of sucks.
We may have bought the wrong soil.
Wrong type of soil. I mean, we have poop underneath.
Manure.
Manure. And then this soil. And I think we may need to add a top cover soil of like normal soil. This is like clay soil. I don't know. Maybe you guys can help us in that because it's just a mistake. We made another mistake with the trellis. We bought trellis, which is what, 2 millimeter thick? We need 4 millimeter.
Yeah,
So
to carry the weight of the cucumbers.
So we've made 2 big mistakes today. I think it's because we're maybe doing too much in one day or trying to do too much in one day.
We're not doing enough research.
We're not doing enough research.
We may have to buy more soil.
We may have to buy more soil, guys. But it's a learning journey and everyone makes mistakes, you know? Bit sad today. Got a package today. It's a gift. We were told we need to have one of these. So this is a rose. Oh, there you go. Look at that. This is a Gertrude Jekyll. Smells amazing. So we're gonna figure out where we're gonna put it. This I'm building, if you look over here, I'm going to build using these reclaimed pieces of wood. So we have a kind of wall herb garden, and I think the rose would actually look good here and provide some really nice smells. So that's a project I'm gonna do today. So forgot to film it earlier, but I've now completed a little garden bed outside on the front porch. Basically the idea is to have herbs, easy access, come out from the kitchen, pick them up. Then we also thought about just putting some flowers in and make it look pretty. So when we're sitting out here, we'll have little bees and little insects and butterflies flying around us. So that rose I unboxed, I actually just put it right here. It's gonna smell really good when we're sitting and eating, and apparently the warmth from the rocks will keep it nice and warm. So north is that way, south is that way, so in the evening it will actually get just the right amount of sun.
It lost all its
Yeah.
blooms.
Well, it was in a box.
That's it. And next week we're going to tackle building a fence around our garden, so that's going to be very exciting. And we also placed a new order of soil, so we got the right soil now, hopefully. I actually went to go check and it looks good. So yeah, I'm really happy. Next week that's coming and I'll be putting that in the beds. Bye.